Hello everyone, welcome to the class Master on Aptitude and Reasoning. Today we are going to study about the topic figures. So we know there are different type of figures, like you will get rectangular figures, square figures, triangle figures, anything you can get it. So in that question they will ask like how many triangles are present in that figure, like or how many squares are present in that figure. So how will you do that? So we will study about different types, how we can find. Suppose there is a figure known as this. There are how many triangles? You can easily say this is a triangle, this is a triangle, and this is a triangle because it is a small figure. This is triangle 1, this is triangle 2, and this is triangle 3. So, but you have a formula for that. Formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. Here n, this is 1, this is 2. N is the number of partitions of the triangle. Okay, so n equals to 2. Therefore 2 into 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2, that is 3. Suppose you have a triangle which has so many partitions, 1 2 3 4 5. So you need to calculate the number of triangles. How will you do? Put the formula, get the answer. That is 5 into 5 plus 1, that is 6 by 2, that is 15. 15 number of triangles are present in this figure. So that way you will get different types of figures and they will ask questions to you. Like if you have a figure like this is divided into two parts, again it is divided into two parts. You have a triangle this, and this also 2. This is 1 2 1 2. It is divided into two parts, 1 2. Okay, for this you have a formula n into n plus 1 by 2. We know that is number of triangles is 2. Again it is divided into two parts, that is 1 and 2. Therefore into 2, that is 6. Okay, suppose it is divided into three parts, 1 2 and 3, and again it is divided into 1 and 2 parts. That is 3 into 3 plus 1, that is 4 by 2, n into n plus 1 by 2 formula, that is 6. Again it is divided into 2 parts, therefore into 2, that is 12. Number of triangle is 12. So in question you can get like this is divided into 3 parts, but your shape is in this form. So how will you do that? From where your triangle is starting, from where your the partition is starting, from there you will put as 1 2 1 2. Suppose this is one division partition triangle, this is one division partition triangle. Okay, and this is 1 2 3. For this, as many as there will be n will be equal to the number of partitions. This is 3 into 3 plus 1 by 2, that is 6. And for these two there are two parts, 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2 is 3, and for this 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2 is 3. Therefore the number of triangles will be 12. So students, I am giving you a question. How will you do this? This is 1 2 3 4 5 parts. It is divided into 5 parts. Again this 1 2 3, I said you have to start the partition with 1 only. From where the line is starting, from that point you have to write as 1 2 3, 1 2 1 2 3. Okay, this is 2 times, this is 1 time, this you can put as n into n plus 1 by 2, n plus 1 by 2, that is 5 into 5 plus 1 by 2, that is 15, plus for this triangle we know it is 3. For this triangle you can put the formula 3 into 4 by 2, n into n plus 1 by 2, that is 6. For this it is 6, for this it is 6. 6 plus 6, number of partitions 1 2 3. Okay, so this answer will be 12 15 30. Okay, the number of partitions will be 30. So this is a short video. Tomorrow we will be learning more shapes and figures in this questions. Okay, thank you.